Okay, so we are walking upstairs. Oh wow.
मस्त बस है यार।
हाँ,
पहली बार
इसमें या ये देखिए इसको किस तरह की बस बोलते हैं? इसको डबल डेकर बोलते हैं। अच्छा, दिस इज द डबल डेकर बस। ओके, बड़ी साफ है ना यार वैसे बस, इन्होंने देख कैसे मेंटेन करके रखी है ना। अच्छा इसका एसी यहाँ लगा हुआ है, जैसे इंडिया में होते हैं ना वॉल्वो टाइप, वैसे इसका यहाँ एसी लगा हुआ है। वाओ, दैट्स नाइस। यू सी, दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ कैनेडा।
जो अभी सेम बस है हमारी जो।
ओके गाइस, दिस इज अ डबल डेकर बस। यू सी द हाइट इज सो मच, and this is AC, even though it's 20 degrees, but for Canadians it's too hot. That's why it's cool, and it's an amazing bus. Yeah, tell me how you feel about this bus.
So I feel really good about this bus. It's a double decker bus, and you look at the views. Look at the views. We are in a Delta city, and we are going to Swanson Mills and beautiful poly house and such nice views.
Yeah, speak a little bit Gujarati.
આ વ્યૂ જુઓ, એકદમ જ ફર્સ્ટ ક્લાસ છે, સુપર વ્યૂ છે. અને આપણે ડેલ્ટા ટ્વાન્સન મિલ્સ જઈ રહ્યા છે. ડબલ ડેકર બસ છે અને ગ્રેજ્યુએશન પછીની લાઈફ તમે જોયું હોય કેનેડામાં તો બેસ્ટ લાઈફ છે.
What's up guys, this is Darshpreet Singh and today we are here at double decker bus. Mask bata de bhai.
So we have reached Swanson Mills.
Yeah. And the bus is also amazing, you know.
The bus is amazing.
Yeah, very clean also. Yeah. Let's get out. No, this is not the last stop. I guess so. No. So yeah. Okay, so we missed our stop.
Lift मांगी है?
Do you think that's a good idea? I don't think so. But there are
let's do one thing.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, so there is USA border.
मास्क उतार दे तो हो गया.
हाँ,
वहाँ USA बॉर्डर है.
वहाँ यूएसए बॉर्डर है और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कहीं पे यार किसी से लिफ्ट मांग ले. जरा है ना, काफी पीछे चले गए. और जरा घर देखो, घर कितने अच्छे हैं भाई यहाँ पे बने हुए.
वहाँ पे स्टॉप है, पर मेरे को पता है क्या लगता है. हाँ. मैं सोच रहा हूँ अगर हम 5 या 10 मिनट अगर हम वॉक करेंगे ना, आई थिंक दैट शुड बी गुड.
और हम लोग एक बहुत अच्छी विजिट पे आए यहाँ पे. अराउंड 2 years स्ट्रगल की मैंने, अर्शप्रीत ने, सबने.
तूने ज्यादा की, मैंने तो.
हम लोग एक बहुत अच्छा ट्रिप पे आए ट्वांसन मिल्स पे. सो वी आर कम्प्लीटली नियर टू यूएसए बॉर्डर. And you can see the beautiful view. You can see the houses there.
Yeah. My house is on this side, yeah.
Also, you can see.
Yeah.
Look at those houses.
Yeah, the houses. So this is the stop. Do you want to wait or do you just want to continue? I'm thinking of walking.
Huh? Walk काफी दूर है.
Yeah.
Let's.
What time is the bus, guys? 3:50. You know what? Actually, I saw on map. It's just like 10 minutes walking. So if you want,
3:59.
If you want, you can even go by walking.
You know what? If you wait till 3:59, it's going to be long.
Yeah, I mean, because I saw it's just 1.5 kilometers, right? So it's better like if you go like if you want, you can go by walking. It's up to you. Anyways, we can go by walking.
Yeah, we can go by walking.
Yeah.
We can wait for 1 hour.
Yeah, rather than waiting for. It's 1 hour, huh?
1 hour.
Yeah. चलो, इनका ज़्यादा मन नहीं है वो करने का, इनको छोड़.
नहीं मैं क्या रिकॉर्ड बाकी सी चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड हो रही है. तो आज हम एक बढ़िया सा मील खाने वाले हैं माइलस्टोन्स में, और वो रेस्टोरेंट बिल्कुल बढ़िया सी लॉन्च है. तो ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. जैसे आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे वेदर इतना क्लीन, HD क्वालिटी यहाँ पे आपको वेदर दिख रहा है.
4K इवन बेटर देन HD ओनली.
सो जैसे आप ये देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे US बॉर्डर 45 माइल्स 35 किलोमीटर एंड वैंकूवर 33 किलोमीटर. हम लोग काफ़ी नज़दीक है USA बॉर्डर से, और आई होप कुछ अच्छा दिखे.
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होगा.
एक्सपीरियंस होगा ट्वांसन मिल्स में. चलो लेट्स सी.
Unless something very cool happens, there is nothing much to record. I see you guys at the mall.
Sure. Bye-bye.
So this is our destination and we have reached the mall. Let's go. Let's go, brother. So where do we have to go? Do we have to go? Do you want to go to Milestones?
Yeah, just we are going for some inquiry for our lunch or dinner things.
Okay.
And then probably
what is that? Is that
probably So Milestones is basically a bar and restaurant. And you get all the options, not only meat, non-meat, vegetarian,
non-vegetarian, whatever,
whatever you guys
want.
But
I think our card, the SIN card, is gonna work with it.
Yeah.
Right?
So all the students, remember the one thing: if you have Scotia SIN card, please do use your points, and you'll get a lot of discounts. And if you have points like 80,000 points, like one of my friend has, then you guys can have like bill of $100, $200 in the bar.
It's me.
Yeah,
one
so
of our friends.
It's
Jizzy Singh.
Janjeet Singh, who
has a lot of points.
Who has a lot of fun.
Yeah, and
let's check out the meals.
There are some visitors here today. I think today is Sunday. That's why you see a lot of cars around here.
And cars, and in summer we have a very long day, so we are going to have a lot of fun. And let's check out, man. This is the first time we are here.
Yeah. Oh, what's that? Look at that. That's actually what is that? Is that a plane or what?
Yeah, that's a plane. And it's an Airbus A380 turbo engine.
Where does it go
turbo
to?
Engine smoke.
Where does this plane go to?
It's departing from Vancouver. It's going somewhere towards British country, maybe. I think so.
British country.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you see that. But what's the difference between these planes and the normal planes? What's the difference between these and the normal?
Airbus A3. I drive Airbus A380. Normal planes are driven by.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, depending on the crew, huh?
Depending on the crew, man.
Okay, so Airbus is like high skill.
High skill aircraft. It has 4 engines, and being a pilot was.
Okay, so this is Milestone, huh?
This is Milestone, and let's check.
Where is the entry? Is the entry from here?
Okay.
वीडियो को?
हाँ वीडियो बंद कर दे, इंक्वायरी करने जा रहा हूँ।
नहीं अगर वो मना करेंगे तो कोई
नहीं प्लीज बंद कर दो प्लीज।
अच्छा।
बंद कर।
Face covering required. Please not. ठीक है खुला ही है. Anyways, so this is the entry, huh? How big is this mall? Let's see how huge it is. I don't think, but do you think, like, it was said that Metrotown is the biggest one. Oh, they have the fans here. Oh, it smells so good here too.
Smells?
Yeah, it smells good. Oh, yeah, but what kind of animal is this? Okay. Let's keep going. Oh, what is this? These are all the weapons. क्यों?
थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद कर दे फिर वापस करेंगे.
These are all the furniture, huh? Good for housing. Maybe we could get a furniture.
Yeah, so let's go to some shoe store. Maybe a shoe store.
Okay, if you want, sure.
Yeah, let's go some.
Yeah, because usually, we can be calm and relax and walk. Nothing much like. But I must say that there's a lot of variety in clothing here, and the flooring is also good. This is not the tile flooring. It's not even the wooden flooring. The flooring is good. I think it's all carpet here.
काफी बढ़िया है ये मॉल.
ये वाला मॉल मेरे को ज़्यादा बढ़िया लगा. मेट्रो टाउन का तो बेकार है.
मेट्रो टाउन में तो बच्चों का मॉल.
यार मेट्रो टाउन लोग कहते हैं बहुत बड़ा मॉल है. लोग कहते हैं इट इज़ द बिगेस्ट मॉल इन.
ये नॉर्थ वैंकूवर वेस्ट वैंकूवर से भी अच्छा मॉल है.
हाँ,
ये सबसे अच्छा मॉल.
तभी इतनी दूर आए हैं ना हम. अदरवाइज देयर वाज नो पॉइंट. और जितनी वैरायटी मेरे को यहाँ लग रही है ना, उतनी वैरायटी मेरे को लगता नहीं कि कहीं और होगी. अब यहाँ लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं, ये पता नहीं टॉन्सन के ही हैं या कहाँ के हैं. अब जहाँ पे हमने वो रिजर्वेशन करे थे ना टेबल का, अब वहाँ पे पता उस लड़के का क्या सीन था. वो उनको कह रही थी कि आप वेट करो, और अगर आप वेट नहीं करोगे तो आपको 45 मिनट्स वेट करना पड़ेगा. और जो फर्स्ट वाली थी उसने तो बड़ी पोलाइटली बोला. जो दूसरी थी लाइक उसको जल्दी थी, उसके था कि ये मान जाएं वो यही ले लें. उन्होंने कहा इज इट ओके? आई सेड नो इट्स नॉट ओके. एंड देन यू कुड टेक अदर टेबल. आई सेड नो इट्स नॉट ओके. फिर उन्होंने कहा
I think
फिर उसने कंडीशन ऐसी डाल दी ना.
Indians as well.
या maybe they are coming from Surrey. So उसने फिर कंडीशन ऐसे डाल दी ना कि अगर आपको वहाँ जाना है तो आप you have to wait for 45 minutes to get a table. And you were like okay with that, and I was like okay, like if we have to wait 45 minutes, I'm okay. I don't care.
Because we want to have a look at the mall.
Yeah, this is also a nice shop though. But the Victoria's Secret is different. It's not different.
अबे ये काफी embarrassing था.
इसमें embarrassing है. There's nothing embarrassing, brother. It's all about. You see? Oh, now because of sunshine, we get a nice view here. And the good thing is that this is, this mall is very open. This is very open. Yeah, this is a good thing. Bath and Body Works. This is very nice for face wash and everything. And everything here is like quite expensive, but it's also nice. A lot of new smells here, new fragrances for your bathroom and for your face wash. It's very nice. Under Armour is very good for sports and all. I got one T-shirt of Under Armour. It was very nice. Oh, there's Guess. For a while I thought it was Gucci. I was like, what? How can it be that Gucci and Under Armour like that? Aldo. These my shoes. These shoes are of Aldo. These ones. These shoes are of Aldo. I have these shoes. The Aldo shoes. Aldo, whatever, man. Roots. It's a good Canadian brand. Nike. Levi's is there. I thought it was an Indian company or something. Levi's is not.
Levi's is American.
It's American, yeah. Inca's World. Okay. Not even in Metrotown I have seen this much variety. Not even in Metrotown. I don't think it's just Sunrise Records. So we got all music and stuff, huh? So due to some reason, music companies and CDs are still surviving. It seems like. Is there Bell here? Maybe I could shift to 5G here. Oh, it's so nice. This cycle seems like cycle, but it's not.
अभी लंबी वीडियो ले रहे हैं.
मैं इसमें से काफ़ी कुछ काट दूंगा ना. जैसे अब मैं बनाता तो 1 घंटे की हूँ, बट उसमें से जो टोटल है वो बस 15-20 मिनट का होगा. Bentley. Oh, nice bags. और Outdoor World. What is that, यार? वो देख. What is that? How good is that?
Yeah, let's ये देखते हैं.
Welcome fishermen, hunters. What's there?
पूछते हैं एक्वेरियम है ये क्या चीज़ है?
No, I think it's for fishing nets and all.
Let's make a video.
Let's see what's inside. हाँ. Oh wow. I must say this thing is a little bit unique because this is all about for all those people who are interested in adventure sports. Oh, see, this is a safety vest here. Oh, you know what is this all about? You know what is this all about, Manan? This is all about those people who are interested in sports and those kind of activities. They're interested in, you see, oh, that's the camping. Oh, wow. It's so good that I've seen something worth here, So I'm saying, oh, is this a barbecue grill or what? Oh yeah, there's something for the meat. $449. Oh, this is for meat processing. Why is this? This is like if you're going for camping, you can take all this stuff with you. Barbecue smoke. Oh, smoking chips. Wow. This is amazing for adventure. Look at that.
That's a gun.
That's an air gun for hunting or something. No. It's attached with the wire. It's attached with the wire.
रियल गन है?
अरे एयर गन है.
मतलब?
एयर गन मतलब कि वो जैसे वो नहीं होती चिड़ियों को मारने वाली. ये तो मेरे पास भी पड़ी थी. But all this is just for adventure. This is for I think this is air gun. Air gun is just for like casual hunting. ये क्या है? This is cables, knife and light combo. Hunting. Oh yeah, that's what I say. That is for hunting. Yeah, this is for hunting. Yeah, all this stuff is for hunting. Is hunting even legal?
ये इतना ही है कि उनके पास मेनू है और?
हाँ?
इतना ही है कि मेनू है उनके?
ये तो बहुत छोटा सा मेन्यू है. Is that it?
हाँ, मुझे पूछना पड़ेगा.
There's so much. I mean, that's it. Come on, guys. I think that might be it. Anyways, it's I don't know how much variety is here. It's like there are only like 10 items here because you see this starts from 5, 6. So there should be.
Yeah, I think there should be more variety. We should ask them.
Okay, so Manan, how do you feel about the place?
I think the place is quite good, and
Yeah.
we are having a good time.
What's up, guys? This is Rashmi Singh, and today I'm here at Tuasin Mills, and this restaurant is super amazing. I must say, really amazing. I mean, the view is fantastic. You see the view here. I'm sitting outdoors, and you know when you are having your meal outdoor, you get a very good feeling because the view here is a very nice view of Tuasin city, and a nice music playing around. And I don't want to record too much because I want to enjoy the moment. So I hope you all guys are having a good time. Stay safe, stay sane, and stay in touch.
2 साल का जर्नी कैसा रहा यार?
2 साल का जर्नी, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. जो मेरा पहला साल था जब तक कोविड नहीं था, तब तक तो थोड़ी लाइफ जो थी काफ़ी बिजी थी. आई मस्ट से बिकॉज यू नो लाइक आई रिमेंबर लाइक आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप एट 7 o'clock 6 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग, एंड उस टाइम मेरी 9 to 5 जॉब होती थी. और फिर 5 के बाद मैं 6 बजे डगलस कॉलेज पहुँचता था. 8:30 से 9:30 मैं क्लास लेता था अपनी बिजनेस मैथमेटिक्स की. फिर मैं 10 बजे घर आता था, फिर खाना बनाता था. लाइक फ्रॉम द 7 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग घर से निकला, टाइम लगता था पहुँचने में पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में, और 10 बजे तक बिजी. मतलब कि नॉट एवरी डे, बट मैं ये बात बताता हूँ, जो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर सेकंड सेमेस्टर था मेरा, आई वाज सो टेंस्ड, एंड इवन यू वर वेरी टेंस्ड. बट बाद में तूने देखा होगा कि बाद में मैं थोड़ा वो हो गया, मतलब कैजुअल हो गया. आई वाज लाइक लेट्स जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो. मैं बस इन ब्रीफ बताऊँ ना, इन ब्रीफ अगर मैं बताऊँ तो शुरू में हमेशा टेंशन होती है. जो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर होता है, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में हम कितना टेंस थे, है ना. बाद में ऐसा था, बाद में तेरे को टेंशन थोड़ी ज़्यादा थी, बट बाद में जब फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर हो गया, सेकेंड थर्ड हो गया, एंड यू नो इन सेकेंड ईयर में तो ऐसा बस अब निकालो टाइम, एंड टाइम निकल गया. बट एक बात थी कि मैं घूमता रहा. यू सी दैट मैं घूमता रहा, तो तू देख रहेगा कि मैंने भी स्टडी की, बट स्टडी के साथ साथ मैंने इंजॉय भी किया, और वो मेरा अपना हिसाब था. लाइक मैं थोड़ा चिल पर्सन हूँ, मैं इतना टेंशन नहीं लेता, बट फिर भी मेरे को पता क्या है, मैं ऐसा आदमी हूँ, मैं इस चीज़ पे बिलीव करता हूँ कि जो होना है वो हो ही जाएगा, कि टेंशन लेने से कुछ नहीं होता, जो होना है वो होना ही है. So just go with the flow to make a very good life in here. But anyways, our life is always good. It doesn't matter. For me, it doesn't matter. Our life is always good. Oh, I didn't ask. Oh, is this chicken sandwich?
Yeah, this is the chicken one.
Oh, I was thinking it was like in a bread. Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, sorry about that.
No, it's good. It's good.
Okay.
It looks good. Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, it's all good. All good.
Okay, so this is the right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is there anything else I can grab for you guys right now?
Yeah, actually, yeah, I need one more glass of 7-Up.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. हाँ जी, क्यों नहीं आपकी लाइफ सही रही, क्या हुआ?
नहीं, all is good. मुझे नहीं बताना. हम लोग इसमें गए थे 620.
इसमें गए थे वैसे हम.
हाँ, 620 यही है ट्रांसन फेरी.
हाँ. Okay, the sun is setting. What's the time?
9:15.
Yeah, the sun is setting at 9:15. You see the moon there. So it's nice that the sunset happens here like quite late. Especially in summer, not like usually, but in summer, yeah.